Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this little lesson, I'll be teaching you how to paint a simple rose in 3 easy steps with 3 simple colors. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and share it with a friend. So I've got out on my palette here some cad yellow light, some pyrrole red, and some ultramarine blue. And then I've got out here a little puddle of titanium white. And for this video, I'm going to be using Cobra water mixable oils. And so to begin, I'm going to start off with the base layer just to build the rose on. And I've got my reference photo in front of me. If you want to paint any rose that you want to use, feel free. But I'm going to be uploading this to my Patreon page. For all my members, they get to have a reference photo with every video. And my Patreon channel starts at $5, so you can join and just support my channel. And I greatly appreciate all your feedback and support. I also have a Facebook page where you can join, and there's lots of videos and things on that channel that you can tune into. So now that I've got a little base out here, I'm going to add a little bit of this white to it. So I'll take a little bit of that red and mix in some of the white. And I'm just going to do some simple brush strokes around just to create those rose petals. And I picked the pyrrole red because I like how it mixes with the white. It creates kind of a nice soft pink color. Up some of those petals. And I'll use the edge of my brush to create some of the little bit of the details there. So once you have your base layer down and you've added some of the lighter petals, then what you can do is add a little blue to the mixture, and you can start to get some of those cooler tones in there. In the shadows of the rose, there's some more bluey colors. So now I've got my base coat and I've got some lights and some cool lights. I'm going to go back and mix a little bit of red with the blue and create a bit of a darker mixture for some of the darker details in the center. And just remember to wipe your brush if you get too much of that lighter paint. you will find it hard to um, put back in the dark. And you can always go back with some of the lighter highlights in there and add some of those back. Let's get some of those little details in there. And then now, because I have yellow and blue out, I'm going to add a little bit of blue and make a little bit of a green here. I'll add a little red just to dull down the green a little more. And I can go and put a little bit of that in the background there. So you don't have to do a leaf if you don't feel like it, but I kind of like to add a little bit of that something in there just to make it pop out a little. It's amazing what you can do with 3 colors. And I'm just using a really inexpensive panel from Michaels, and it's just they come in a pack, these little artist loft. So, feel free to get a pack of those to practice on. Nice and easy and cheap. And so I really think that turned out really good, and it was really, as you can see, I built it up from dark to light, and you could use any water mixable oil paint or acrylic even, and regular oil to complete this little lesson. So I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video.